CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 3.1 Identify components of an operating system. As we begin exploring Domain 3 of this CompTIA Tech Plus training course, we're entering an exciting and essential area of knowledge. That area is applications and software. And at the core of this domain is something that every computing device relies on, even if you don't always see it working behind the scenes. And that something is the operating system. In this video segment, we'll start with a simple and clear definition of what an operating system is and why it's such a critical part of any device. This video segment is designed to set the foundation for everything that follows in Domain 3. Over the next few exam objectives, we'll be breaking down operating system components, exploring different types of software, and learning how users interact with applications through interfaces. But before we get there, let's make sure we understand the role the operating system plays at the center of it all. So let's kick things off with a question. What exactly is an operating system? An operating system, or OS for short, is the fundamental software program that serves as the backbone of a computer or any other computing device. It has the primary job of being the intermediary between the hardware components of the computer and the applications or software running on it. More simply put, an operating system is like the boss of a computer, coordinating all its tasks and making sure everything runs smoothly. Or it is like a conductor, who leads an orchestra, ensuring all the musicians play together in harmony to create beautiful music. As we continue to explore the different functions of operating systems in upcoming video segments, you'll notice that all of the images and demonstrations I will use are based specifically on the Windows 11 operating system. That's because CompTIA tends to focus more heavily on Windows than any other operating system. Well, with the exception of the Linux Plus exam, of course. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.